Yes, so now I'm going to be showing you how to upload your video, your testimonial video to YouTube and posting it on the testimonial page on TBC website. It's very easy. It should be done in no time. So let's do this. First of all, this is the video which I'll be uploading.
Hey guys,
the testimonial video I just created.
Hello TBC community, this is a hand of Festus aka Feshibaba. I'm so happy to
Okay,
do this testimonial video today.
The testimonial video I just created.
I'm earning a lot of TBC. I've earned a lot of TBC. I think my first testimonial was.
So I'm going to be uploading this. So first of all, I'm going to rename this. Use a suitable name. Suitable name, something like my number 3 testimonial. So I'm going to continue. So we name this number 3 testimonial. I'm earning a lot with TBC. Okay, so I've finished renaming this. Now let's open up a browser. I'll try to make this as fast as possible. Let's go over to YouTube. We have here youtube.com. Enter. Okay, this is YouTube. I think my network is kind of slow, so I'm going to come back when it's fully loaded. Okay, so this is loaded now. So going to go over to this icon here, then come over to Creator Studio. Sorry, you can just simply go over to upload. Now this is because I'm already logged in. You can see my picture here. I'm already logged in. You can see my picture over this on the top right corner. You can see my picture because I'm logged in. If you're not logged in on YouTube, you just have to log in your Gmail account, and you should be logged in on YouTube. Then you're good to go. Now go to click upload. Just click on that icon, on that space there. Then I'll select. I think I have it on my desktop. And because I renamed it, now I can easily select a video and click open. Now you see uploading 0%, so it has started uploading my testimonial video. So what do I do now? The name is already there, number 3 testimonial. I'm earning a lot with TBC, so I'll do something like this. The SS space. The description, you can just put the BillionCoin Community. Oh, sorry. If you're uploading a testimonial video, if you don't have a send button, first thing you put is your email. So I'm going to put my email. Then you put your FB profile link. After pressing enter, put your FB profile link. That is https facebook.com// your name your link. Now to get your Facebook profile link, you can get that from logging in on Facebook first. Then you see it on the top corner. Just go to your profile. You should see your link up here. You see your link up there. So after doing this, every other thing goes down, every other thing goes below this. So I can now go and post a little description. I'm going to pause this now and post my description. So guys, this is it. I'm almost done. It's at 93% now. So let's just wait for it to finish. I actually paused it so that I won't waste much of your time. Okay, so I'm going to pause it again till it's done. So guys, it's at 99% now. So let's do this. So we are done. It's done uploading. This is the only thing you need to do. Just put this. Forget about all this. I have gotten my send button already. That's why I'm going all the way to put all this description. Just go with putting your email and your Facebook profile link. It should be in this format. So after this, you click on publish. Make sure here it's public. Make sure it's showing public here. So click on publish. Okay, I think my number 3 testimonial. I'm earning a lot with TBC. I'm earning a lot with TBC. So it's processing now. Should be done processing in a few minutes. Should be done processing in a few minutes. Okay, that's 95. Should be done in seconds, you know. So meanwhile, we can just go over and open another tab and go to thebillioncoin.info. thebillioncoin.info. That's it. Enter. 95%. So this is our video link. So it's at 95% now. To soon be properly uploaded. Okay. Yeah, I think my video is done processing now, and you can see the thumbnail picture here. So what I do is copy this. Copy this. Copy this link and go over to the TBC testimonial page, and I have to log in. Okay, I think my details are already there, so I just click on login quickly. Click on login. This is my video. It has been uploaded successfully on YouTube. I'll copy the link. If you don't get the link this way, you can click on the video and you get the link here, up here, or you can also get the link from right clicking on your video and copy video URL. So you see my video is playing. Pause this now and go over to the website. Now I'm logged in. You can see I'm logged in. It's showing my profile, showing my name, my username up here, aka Feshibaba. Showing my username up here. So I'll quickly go to the testimonials. Then go over to post testimonials. See my cursor, post testimonials. Post your video link there. Paste the video link there. I think I've done that before. Just simply click on paste, select, so I leave it at English and click submit. So it's adding testimonial right now. Let's wait for it to be added. Okay, and that's it. As easy as that. You see, my testimonial has been added to the TheBillionCoin website. The testimonial has been added. You know, so look at it there, number 3 testimonial. I'm earning a lot with TBC. It has been added. So this is my video on the BillionCoin blog. So it's as easy as this. So I know this has been very long. So guys, I'm going to meet you some other time when I'm doing another video on TBC. Thanks guys, and bye for now.
Hey guys, so today, guys, I have my first technique.